sharp a word we'll never know. Your shadow leans against the light. I feel you fading into night. The silence speaks in silver tones, and I still dance with your echoes alone. Rain on the window, playing songs we used to know. Time stands still beneath the flow, but you had to go. Rain on the window, where your memory starts to show. The coffee's cold, the record spins, the saxophone confession begins. Curtains move like passing ghosts. I drink to all I miss the most. I light a match, but not the flame, just to feel